Charles ni ama mensa Shatta Wale he's back now assign akan ho biem what trendy e social media baby abefa bia no Wale din enenam ho ensem pina e na ba betodwa ensam no akoye mienu ebimu e kasei ebimu e kasei ne nti a what trendy me de ebram efri se ha sei ena ensam akese headquarters no e wo just be ewom no eno ena maboabo no me de eba besom na ansa na mekom no na me kai mo se wo ho na wo to asentini e de fa ostream kosi nas etwetwe o pe baby akwa ma ho atode no ane 21st clinic omo me expert in sciatica nti kodo maso ya ye do betu mfidie me be massage e wi nso e de abibidro account fana ba na e wo screen so Ghana haso be hu ma kira kwan e wo baby ana nso kwaje wa yaresa nanse na ye nte ye nyina ankasa ya de nyina de don Shatta Wale ye nte nka ono ankasa mpo cry se wo ko na obesan ya ba afe ya hu se video bi eninam social media video de ensempi na ankasa enaba na video be hu se ya ankasa ye bra Shatta Wale ne buofu kasa toto ne nsa enya asam ketwa na video krona mu nso be hu se enyumafo bi eye kwaye contractors a omuka ne omade nyina sisi wona ne boys a troopy wo hono ma enya asam ketwa asam yibeto odwa no akoda ne two stories ebimu ekase na first story ana amanfo eka ene se ejade don himself Shatta Wale obepiem e wo Ghana nti wo so otimi eje fresh air wa bonten na wo pia bonten a contractors for isi omo ye kwan nti omo ma Shatta Wale emfa so bi be se ho Shatta Wale o ma ne kwan sen ene ne ko fe no boys ba ye momo bebo contractors ya enya asam ketwa na sansem we e ba social media na amanfo because o there bi ye hwe Wale a wontimi enye sa Wale de o ye free se won senti no be fro bi se bra na be bu obi na o me there bi na Wale nso kra de o ye superstar nti be bi o pese won ko bia no ye be ma ne kwan e ma ne de akọ afen nsem amanfo e ka ne se ansa na Wale etukwan akọ Miami akọ ginani no omo musika bi so omo nya kwan no ma anye nti omo hu Shatta Wale na sa ahopepre no so de abufuo ene nsam ne akese okeka no enye nsam ketwa afa kura de bi mu kire mu se Shatta Wale complain se kwan no omo ye no 4 years bi on be ye kwan 4 years bi on be ye kwan no nti so omo ye a omo nye ne ye ensam no akoye bebre na nkasa e wo social media na de yenhwe videos we emra
Why? Zero. The funny way. It's everywhere. Stop the way.
Wale is that?
What's that? I'm doing what you're doing. I don't know.
But I didn't feel the supervisor.
I them slap on me. I them can't stop work. Actually, I've lost so much respect for that dude.
Every 4 years,
This can cause commotion against this site. Can cause commotion. This. This. Shatta Wale, the Jesus Christ. What is gonna do? Wale they pray, oh. And they do road, you won't come past here, giddy giddy. Yeah, no, you go bring Nima squad. What is... See. See the Nima boy, see. Actually, why do they pray? Why do they fucking pray? Why do they pray? Why do they pray?
Ebusan for videos ni bi eno na enya asem ketwa kra amanfo binuma start e kansem e de fabims e wale dia to trust them wonti asem bi gidigidi a wale din enim na da bia asem fans no mo konto kwa na se bim krampo de ne compare Stone Boy se hwe Stone Boy asa de we ya wala aye no wonye bida ebinums e kasa ma amanfo enkasa na se yampa se wale mo muska so monye kwan no manya ebeye ya yie pa comment ne de edos wanso na mekoso ready bi e de amamo no na me kai mo biem se 9 doctor leko emema titiri mamwa brochire no wunya binom ya entempa so fa number na e wo screen no so from penny for dodo bi apebia no nsa betumi aka na wo so akwa akwaje wo de wunim ensa no ma e ma ren ho powder wo heno ane se wonya bia gu nso bibia e be hye yie na wo so waje 3 points e wo empem comments no meridi ebi e de amam. We are in a country where Shatta Wale attacks a contractor for fixing roads. Now with this kind of attitude, tell me if we can really face this country or not. So na dwentre and our things. So one user was saying Shatta Wale paid 4 million Ghana cedis. I mean Titisika 4 billion to the contractor to fix his road. Then he later came to find out that they were doing a shoddy job. That be why he bore. Next time, get your facts right before attacking Shatta Wale, the greatest artist ever in Ghana. Naturally, so also no comments and on it says Shatta Wale had a whole 4 billion. 4 billion no. What the ama contractors for my Juma Basal ba set in Bubefin something there a does now with we no kana bimu eka say SM funny there sa Shatta Wale ya dear pe o mepe excuse be e dia cover no ebinum so e betumi an no crayfish Shatta Wale de be obrage say on the richest artist e wo Ghana has 24 billion there and so na yes obeyi amaye di aye kwan na one user when so say so what I'm getting is that Shatta Wale paid those contractors to fix the Nima road to his house before he left for the state. And they waited till he got back today and they are now doing it. And I think so wait and so say hashtag Shatta Wale and his Nima gangs allegedly attack a road construction supervisor. Hashtag fix the country. But I hope this is just for show. Hashtag Stone Boy won't do this. Natural so no so na dwentre de by now. One user when so say road constructors they side the work. Them no one allow Shatta Wale make he pass the road top cause of the work they are doing. Then no open a verse. Go carry Nima boys come beat the workers for sight. Shameful act. Who does that? You won't take this art to Grammys. John Man naturally say when so ne de no ne say Shatta Wale attitude there yen fan koje Grammy ne name say Grammy there wonyom the way besumi aye da fa ene wo lyrics na ye de koje Grammy some no akodo so say ye no krese ono ane tu eska no anase mpo wo twam ne ama na ntwom ye ko bo mo e ko jojo mo no ono am wodi kan akadada say enchoba be ye live address nation into no kra bie won bia no me ankasa me de mani e de atwere me de nyina e bebrem atwere na se ade de ababeto dwa afa ho eno no na se senso Rastafo wo krom sie wo krom ene krom agya me rasta no finka me de baye Rastafo ani age e wo Ghana ha se penie udu pa baabi a behu ebimu a mo chele de emu ed ne nyina ne se eye enkrabia ene tyrant se no quarter ma ho kwan so betumi akọ baby omunya school no akọ akosua de e wo asomdwem ansanam de emu enchiremu ebe ma mo no ma menkai mo se ladder transport app no on download ya entempa so for phone ko Play Store anasa App Store na ko download uwi a sign up baby a woko bia no o from ma ye betumi aba be fa edwa kwa asomdwem afen so wa worker na person be ladder driver no obetumi download the app no anasa obe friend number na wo screen no so woni penifo eni nkomo hihye bia wo hu bia no di so na so eye wadwuma kakra se de be ya obenya kakra e de a show bottom na say social media ebeye butubutu ye pa ebedane ntokwa gidigidi eye Rasta form nya admission to Achimota na so school no reject omo so omo ensuade until say omakotwa omo Rasta no afri omuti so ebeye nsempe GS the letter by so omo nko eche school no ka say omo mra no ti omo ntumi enje omo sansemi ekopie mu ewo court amafo pii na nkasa na omo hwe ni mu se hunsam betumi aba eche se de beye asem mofra no omo ko anaso omo nyanko na finally court na asem no so no ene no wa granting crown say ombetumi akwakotoa omadisua so ensempi na nkasa e na aba afọ na yenti omo lawyer no emra.
Her name in a legendary status.
Exactly.
Her name is now written in gold. No. She now ranks with Eleanor Roosevelt, the architect of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. She ranks with Mary Robertson, former president of Ireland and former UN Commissioner, the Human Rights High Commissioner. That is the pedigree. The High Court Human Rights Court one judge has just in a moment catapulted herself. Human rights are human rights, and they are found everywhere, in our schools, in our homes, our workplace. And until concerted efforts is made by citizens who agree and understand to protect such human rights, we will struggle out there and never achieve it. That is what exactly her ladyship has done. She has made it very simple that human rights are human rights. And until there's a compelling reason, yes, we agree that human rights can be limited. As we say, rights are not absolute. But there should be a justifiable reason to limit fundamental human rights. And she's simply saying that the respondents at Achimota School, the Ghana Education Service, Ministry of Education and Attorney General have not proven that compelling reason for her mind to weigh towards what the state is saying, that these rights, paramountly the right to manifest one's religion, the right to education should be limited. So she's not convinced, and cases are won on the balance of probability.
For lawyer nsem no ena yakwa akotie dia ba no hwe de we osimi kasa na eye ni gisem na court e ka say mo fan betima akwa akosua ade no o ehwo anen ne kromu ba bia Rasta foi omutisi abonte no mu rege no mo sa no mo nsa na wiem no mo wo so Rasta ye obi di osane a etwi fom ni na akoye eni gisem na yehwe videos we emra. I was out for and also I don't know any just some kesepa edema or mona mofra no aye enkrabia so den sem bi etu just na nsem no na waka say any de pan say course na timi amom kwan so betumi akwa akosua de na time on ko school ni na no no ye online classes e wo fie dada ni na no gidi so ko school ho no ma okobo ne homoden e wo honom yenkotie ni nsem ni bi so emra.
Well, I'm really grateful for the court's decisions, and I'm hoping to go to school very soon.
Right. And so, for all this period of months or weeks that you've been home, what has been going through your mind as you wait for the court to deliver its ruling on this?
Well, before I thought I was lacking out, but I saw that as I was doing my online classes, it didn't matter whether I didn't go to school or not. As long as I'm getting the same education as they are, I can go through this. So I also believe that the court would rule for us. So I kept on with my classes, my online program, Wolo, and I believe I can cope with my friends in their academic when I get back to school.
I was for no so ne dear and on answer na metwa so no what rumre was say o ware o hwehwe ho kani say o your ba anase bema we dey asem de and am de ebremo eye nyumako bi mo de dating website bi aba okohon ma obetumi enya oba anase bema eno no abobra na enya oba anase bema bia keke oba ene bema mo do awurade atito mo nyamesro kwan so omunim de number bra wo ombeboa ewo abrabom. Call www.ourunion.com. ko sign up enhye bi o hobia no di so kama nso benya ho kenna nya say bia Africa ha be man kwa ewiase afana ba bia yonkrofo bo ho no mo abrochire mo pe Ghana ni ba obo nso wo Ghana ha se wo pa abrochire ni be ma na se oba ene no abobra ko sa website nso a wo benya dia hwehwe nyina e wo ho nim to bia enkoso na on sign up ententem in some way na wa beto dam de nyina abram se say no Rasta gang ye wo krom ye na ye gi ani na ko social media comments ne dia no edin ma munim Ghana fon sem bi say ba dia na mo e chiro madwen e de fam be mu ka say ni say die say religion obia e wo right say wotimi e ye ne suma na say de ne sum che no ye dia enye bi ma start e ka so mutinu krampo mu nyu bi sam ya me ye Rastafarian ubi sam ya me sum onti ase ne dia court de really ne ba na say me wini a fine but me wini so ane atna baby mu e ka say ya grant omo permission no nkyere say bia wuti no ukwaye ne basa bu ho company Rasta no hu aya na sebe asefem de hiane say neat no mudi ye na Ghana for pom asem no ombe ni neat sa dia ko school na kwa akwie na nya afe na omokoye no bone ne ade omombro omo ho ase e wo school ho na bibia so enko kama emfa mom wale de no so medimani e de kire say Wednesday woye press conference no no de ejini di waba no na waba ensama kese wo beka na dwenkyere obekere ene ensam wina foforo bia ba ho a me science wo e de abram nti SM fans no munya abotre wate minim se mu manager na asem pomo president no mo kansempa e de man na so no kra bia wom no ye de beba ekere midin ene kekere na akosia makram
eba mema hwemu dia Dr. Amuzu ye na Africa ha nyina yaji ya atum oba ya hwe honom a ye sanyare wa bebre ne yare wa ya Ghana fo aji ya atum atre Africa ha nyina ye mema hu yade na esa enti bema bi a otemi a de kan so owo week erection no bema na sori a emunye dene odi ko banase ya na adwo de esa ko no early ejaculation se uni oba ko impasso a enche no ho asane wo obu a na bema se bi afon aikituwa bi obi de so atwe akom na enam enyini nti prostate abesuyew ebe obi ehweme wanya prostate wakoye process adwiri ye free honom menne ne bema na mpeja bium wo low sperm count wo sperm se bi ni mukura ni nyina oba Dr. Amuzu ebe buawo yaso ye ne wo Kumasi Tafu Club 600 yejuma from Monday to Monday anopa nonson ejwa go fe nyumre lumnifa Dr. Amuzu Herbal Clinic Mauji Hiochalo